You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word from Italian, meaning bread. In Italian, how do you say bread in Italian? You've probably seen this at an Italian restaurant. Pane. By the way, if you want to learn more names from Italian cuisine, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Pane. Pane is how it's said. Pane is French for, not French, Italian for bread. Spanish is pan, French is pain, Italian is pane. Pane. And now that you know the correct Italian pronunciation, how to pronounce pane. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.